And time for the quick epics alert coming in at this very hour. Pakistan has now pulled yet another stunt as far as the Jadhav consular access is concerned, with Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi coming out and saying that Pakistan is now offering another access to India on the Kulbhushan matter. Foreign Minister of Pakistan has made this claim on a Pakistani news channel, saying Pakistan is ready to give another access to India without a security personnel present. This comes at a time when, remember how we've been breaking down details of how Pakistan, though has been offering consular access to India time and again, but has been denying access in private to Jadhav, has been recording all of those conversations, a security personnel who is present at all times. But now the latest statement coming in from Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi, trying yet another stunt on Jadhav, because we do know how they've defied the spirit of the ICJ judgment not once but time and again, promising consular access but not living up to it, defying the spirit of what was ruled out by the ICJ, the International Court. This time, Pakistan Foreign Minister coming out, making an offer, saying that Pakistan is ready to give another access to India without a security personnel. This declaration has been made on a Pakistani news channel. He says that he will abide by what India has been objecting to. It is indeed a big development in this case, because just yesterday we saw how the consular access that was given to India was unhindered, not unconditional. In fact, Tejinder Singh Sodhi is also with us to talk to us through this latest statement. Tejinder, looks like yet another stunt, because Pakistan has repeatedly come out with this offer but fails to live up to the spirit of the ICJ judgment, does not give us unconditional access to Kulbhushan Jadhav.
See, Pakistan is indulging in optics. We know that the other day Pakistan gave consular access to Kulbhushan Jadhav, and now Pakistani Minister of Foreign Affairs Shah Mahmood Qureshi on a television channel saying that the Pakistan is ready to give Kulbhushan Jadhav another consular access. You see, Pakistan is trying to play optics, and Pakistan is indulged in gimmicks on diplomatic issues, because you don't come on a television channel to say to another country that they are ready to give consular access to an Indian national, Indian civilian who is languishing in Pakistani jails. We all know how Kulbhushan Jadhav, an Indian civilian who was abducted from Iran, then by the ISI goons, and then taken to Pakistan and then framed in a false terror case in which he was sentenced to death by a military court in Pakistan. So clearly the sham of Pakistan stands time and again exposed. Even the International Court of Justice had given...
Yes, because previously the arrangements have not allowed a free-flowing conversation between Indian diplomats and Kulbhushan Jadhav. Yet another stunt looks like being pulled off by Pakistan. Let's listen into the Foreign Minister making that big claim on a Pakistani news channel.
पर वसीम जी एक और बात कहता हूँ,
वो क्या?
भारत ये नाटक खत्म करो। अगर तुम्हें सिक्योरिटी शीशे के बगैर रसाई चाहिए थी, हमने दे दी। रिकॉर्डिंग के बगैर रसाई चाहिए थी, हमने दे दी। और आज तुमने बहाना बनाया है कि सिक्योरिटी एहलकारों के बगैर तुम्हें रसाई चाहिए, ले लो।
अच्छा,
आओ 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 और मिलो।
आप इस प्रोग्राम में ये भी ऑफर कर रहे हैं कि भाई अगर सिक्योरिटी एहलकार के बगैर, वो जो एक बहाना है वो भी चलो, अगर उसमें भी मसला है तो उसके बगैर रसाई ले लो और बात कर लो।
मैं कहता हूं आज चले वो भी खत्म कर दे। आज जिस बुनियाद पर उन्होंने फरार अख्तियार किया, मैं कहता हूं हम उसको भी खत्म कर देते हैं। अब बताएं क्या चाहते हैं आप? आज कल आना चाहेंगे? रात को आना चाहेंगे? कब आना चाहेंगे?